as I bring you guys right here the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max multi-platform gaming headsets.
Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that?
Oh yeah! Right now it's the weekend and it's finally hitting. Real Raw and Uncut. Now your boy brought you these right here last week. The Air Force Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max. Real Raw and Uncut. But I'm going to tell you guys, we're not doing this unboxing today. I'm bringing you guys right here the Gen 2 Max 700s by Turtle Beaches. Real Raw and Uncut in the limited edition Cold Bolt Blue. I had to go back and cop these because for the simple fact is that I wanted to enjoy the merciful surround sound on my PlayStation 5 and sometimes on my Xbox Series X, because I got these right here for my Xbox Series X and I got these right here for my PlayStation 5 because these right here are also compatible. These are a multi-platinum, so they are already compatible with the Xbox Series X, the Nintendo Switch, the PS5, and also your PC out there. Oh yes, how is everybody out there doing today? Well, let's do an unboxing of it, and I hope a lot of you guys have been keeping up with my channel, because for the simple fact is that I love when you guys come in my live streams on my Twitch channel. Make sure you guys go over there as well. My Twitch channel is called Greg.yerby. We are growing, y'all, and all you guys got to do is support by helping the boy grow so we can have a nice, bear, wonderful family. If I can get this box open. Oh yes, y'all. Here we go, Air Force Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max by Turtle Beach. Let's see the specifications of all four of these little matchable things going on right about right here. As you guys already know, it says durable and comfortable. Real Raw and Uncut. Gen 2 Flip to Mute mic. Real Raw and Uncut. Now let's go down here and see. Nano clear speakers. Real Raw and Uncut. Oh yes! Maximum compatibility to play your best on the Xbox Series X, Xbox One, Xbox Series S, PC, PS5, PS4, Nintendo Switch, and also your mobile. It's going down. Right here what it says right there, maximum play time. Right there, a massive 40 hours battery life. Real Raw and Uncut. Bluetooth connectability. App-based audio customization. It's going down. Woo, yes! Real Raw and Uncut, dynamic surround sound, lag-free wireless, and glasses nerd-free friendly. Oh my gosh, I finally got it to tape off. So anyways, let's open it up in this Cold Bolt Blue, Real Raw and Uncut. I'm loving the way the out trimming of the gold. I hope it's 14 karat stereo, whatever karat gold, whatever y'all, whatever's coming out of my mind. I'm just having a happy day. My brain is just overwhelmed. It's just haywired. So yes, let's open it up, y'all. And like I said, I'm loving the way Turtle Beaches is bringing these designs, because I didn't even get down with Turtle Beach back in the day because their products were just straight boo-boo back in the day. But I could tell you right now that they stepped their game up. I'm loving the design of the last headphones I bought. So here we go, Real Raw and Uncut. Let me check it out the box before I show you guys what the inside of the box looks like. Right here, Cold Bolt Blue, right here, the Gen 2 700 Max headphones. And apparently you can use an app to like mess with the equalizations of the volumes of superhuman sounds in these headphones. Oh my gosh. So let's take it out right there and see what they look like. Oh my gosh, they look very clean. Woo, man, these things is nice. Look at this right here, close up right there. Real Raw and Uncut. Let me move my mic over a little bit. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it, because you guys already know, I'm gonna let you guys tell you guys is that my favorite color is blue, Real Raw and Uncut, but this is more like a Cold Bolt, like deep dark navy blue. And I'm loving it because for the simple fact is that everything in the ear pad right here, as you guys can see, is also coated in gold as well. And let's see, it's stretchable, as you guys can see. Look at that right there. Oh my gosh. And let's see how far they stretch. Ooh, okay. So I'm loving the way it stretches out, and it has the headband that stretches with the gold plates on both sides. And I cannot wait to see how these sound, and I cannot wait to actually use the app. And let's see, we got the mic boom that actually folds down like this, Real Raw and Uncut. Oh my gosh, these things is nice. And I gotta say, Turtle Beach has stepped their game up, and I have been missing out. I know a lot of you guys saying, dang bro, you've been missing out on Turtle Beaches for a long time, and I just wanted to give them a try. I just wanted to give them a chance. Oh my gosh. So let's see. So the paddings, I mean the head cushions right there move in and out right here. So basically probably moves up and down for your ear. And I think these are for glasses, I believe. No, I don't know, but it says it's glasses friendly. And you can see, let me see, the mic, I mean the headphone volume right there. Trying to get the little focus to, you know, show you guys right here. And it has the headphone volume right there, the volume. And it has a mode right there, different, you know, play modes. And right here it has a Bluetooth pairing mode where you guys can use these headphones for Bluetooth as well. Let's see what else we got in the box right here. As you guys already know, we got some instruction manuals, probably a Turtle Beach sticker in here, what they always seem to put up in there to stamp along your gamer closet, real raw and uncut. And here is the dongle right there, real raw and uncut for multi-platinum. As you guys can see, it says Xbox and USB because, like I said, these are an official Xbox headsets, but they're compatible with multi-consoles as well. So yes, I'm loving the way everything matches up. Now it won't confuse me with my other black color Turtle Beach headsets, but so that's really good. And you get a charging cable, real raw and uncut, right here, as you guys already can tell. Look at that right there. So let's see what we got in here under here. So basically, oh yeah, you guys are hungry. We got some little salt that they always give us to put on our gamer burgers and gamer food that we love to eat. Real raw and uncut out there. Real raw, real raw, real raw, real raw. So here's the box again, what it looks like right there. This is looking very clean. So let's put them on my head and see what they are about, y'all. Here we go, here we go. Oh, these things looking sexy on my daggone head. Oh my gosh. I may be using these some more. Real raw and uncut. How about that, y'all? So yeah, I'm liking it. It's very clean. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna just move in close. Woo! Man! Dang, I love doing these videos for you guys. So yeah, here we go right there. The Cobalt Blue Turtle Beach headsets Gen 2 Max 700s out there. Rate, comment, subscribe. Love y'all out there. And you know, like I said, spread the video around if you guys want to see some more. What's going on, everybody? It's the tremendous Street Reviews, aka Big Bear Bro. Yeah.